Welcome to our April lineup of spring videos on Justhands-on.tv. We continue our wander around the West Country Quilt Show, where Valerie meets Jason Reed of Horn Furniture and we learn about their ingenious sewing machine cabinets. We also meet up with Sandy Lush, a well-known hand quilter, and her giant cricketer's jumper, and complete our look at the competition quilts. Workshops in April include a lovely wildflowers quilt from designer and artist Janet Clare, which complements her book with the same title. Angela Damon uses tulip petals to great effect with her natural dyeing. And Helen Butcher shares with us another of her great modern quilt designs. Valerie is busy with workshops that include twisted settings, something blue using fabrics by Makawa, and focusing on her favourite technique of applique, both in our Throwback Thursday programme and by demonstrating straight stitch. And last, but by no means least, we get a super fast bag from Jenny Raymond. New videos are released on Justhands-on.tv every Friday. Become a paid subscriber to enjoy unlimited access to all our online classes by Britain's finest tutors to help you with your projects from as little as £7 a month.